Hi y'all, it's me. I'm here with my very first Shein haul, and Shein is like Temu or Ali. It's one of those places. So anyhow, I was wanting to try them, but I didn't want to order a whole bunch, just to test it out. And I was really pleased with my order actually, and it didn't take very long. It took about the same amount of time as Temu with Timu's delays that they've been having lately. But anyway, let me just show you. They're only dies that I got, but I want to share them in case you're interested and you want further information, or you want to try them and you don't want to worry that no one that you know has tried them or something like that. So this would be my very first one right here. And this particular die measures 6 wide by half an inch high, just so you know. And that says hello spring, and I thought it was super cute. For especially this time of year, it's a little bit wider than what I thought it would be, but this way, but that's okay because it's super cute. So you can always make it into 2 words, adjust here, there, and cut it off, but it's super cute. So I got that one. This next one here is a leaf die set, and this one measures, I went with the biggest one, I think, because one of them does appear to, oops, sorry, one of them appears to be bigger than the other, so I went with that one, and it was 1 inch wide by 2.5 inches in height. And I love that you get such a variety here. So I managed to cut them out for you in gold and green so you could get an idea of how they look in different, different material. But super pretty. I love the different varieties. They're just really beautiful. And that was that one. This next one is a banner die set. And they're all hearts, as you can see there. And the widest banner measures 4 3/4 wide by 3/4 inch high. And this one is really cute as well. So let me show you these. And this one, you can also save the negative, the hearts that come out of it, for shaker bits. But that's what those 4 look like. Really good size. I mean, I was expecting a lot of these dies to be smaller than they were, but I was pleasantly surprised. This one. So this one, I chose to get it because I have one of these hole reinforcers. This is my second one because I had to write to them for another one. The other one broke. It's kind of difficult for me, I think, to use this. I don't know, but sometimes when you punch it, there's no way the materials get lodged in the inside in that little hole that's made in there for this, and it's not always easy to get them out of there. The other thing is that you cannot do glitter paper. It's such a mess. So when I saw this die, I thought, I'm going to go ahead and give this a go and see, because that way I could cut a whole bunch of hole reinforcements all at once. These measure 1/2 inch in diameter, and I'm really pleased. This is just some of the ones I punched. Obviously, it punches out 18 at once, but that's just some of them, and I'm really happy with it. Even though the die shows a stitch detail on it, I'm thinking, because these don't show it just in a little places, maybe if I do this with a embossing pad, they would show better. It won't show on the glitter. It never did, or it doesn't show, but on the solid colors it should. So anyway, that's that one. I thought I'd share that with you. The next one is bunny tags, and they are so cute. I just couldn't resist getting these. The little one is 1 1/4 wide by 3 7/8 high, and then the bigger one measures 1 3/4 wide by 5 1/8 height. And they're super cute put together, and I'm going to show you that just now. I decorated one of them so you could see how cute it is when you decorate it. Actually, I covered the hole on this one to hang because it's supposed to be a tag. But if you don't want to hang it, you can always just cover it like I did there. And this is the baby right there. So I put this hole reinforcer just so you could see how they, they do fit around the holes very nicely. And I wouldn't use this on this tag. It's too big for this tag, but it would look good on that one. But anyhow, isn't that cute? I think it's such a cute die. This next one, it's called Lovebirds, I believe. And it measures 2 3/4 width by 4 inches high. And that's what the die looks like. You get a piece to overlay here, the birds, their wings, and some hearts for their love. And again, I did create this one for you because I wanted you to be able to see it. And it is darling. Oops, hold on a minute. I had a little faux pas. My heart's moved. But I want to kind of let you see it with the hearts there. Oh well. Let me put it back. Okay, here you go. Well, anyway, the hearts moved, but they kind of should be out like that. Isn't that adorable? Oh my gosh, I love it. So I did it with gold paper and then some wood grain paper down at the bottom. And then what I can tell you about this particular die is when the eyes punch out, you either have to do it again so you can get black or whatever color you want, or just tape a piece of black cardstock behind it so that their eyes will show better. But super cute die. The next one is one of my, these are, the last two are my favorites. This one, I was really hoping, oh, where'd my measurements go? Uh-oh, lost my measurements on this one. It's pretty tall, and I don't have a ruler here with me. I think it measures 6 inches in height. I was hoping it would be smaller, but when I saw this, I was immediately went to thinking about Maggie Holmes' Parasol collection, and I've been wanting an umbrella die, and I mean, you see a lot of the ones that are open, but you don't see like closed ones like this, and I really love this one. I just wish it had been just a tad smaller, but it's okay still. But look at how beautiful. Oh, here are the measurements. I'm sorry. It's 2 inches wide from right here to here, and it's 5 3/4 in height. There you go. And look at how pretty this one looks. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love this one. Look. Isn't that adorable? Oh, I love it. So what I did was, so this bow comes with the die set. It's a little polka dotted bow like this. So all those little dots that fell out, I just glued them around the umbrella there. I also cut it twice so that I could cut off the tip in gold, the little pole that connects the handle in gold, and then I cut a slim border for the edge there just so it would like finish it off. And then I cut a different color for the handle just so that would look more realistic. And then I did all the flowers that came with the, you know, the die. I just glued them around to make it look cute, and I even did a piece on the back just to cover up all the gluing areas of that. And I did double layer the bow too, just to give it some dimension, but it's just adorable. What a beautiful thing for spring. I love this. Now comes my favorite die. I was so excited when I saw this on their website. So how many of you remember these jelly purses? Oh my God. I think they were out in the 80s, and my daughter and I, we had every color that they had, matching jelly shoes to go with it. And oh my God, when I just, you know, it brings back so many memories. So when I was on their website and I saw that they had a die for this, I almost died myself because I was like, what? So there's the die. So cute. This is the measurements of it when it's completed. It's 3 1/4 wide by 3 high, and it's 7/8 deep. So I want to tell you before I show you this, you're going to need to cut this twice. And for the second one, I cut off these 2 pieces here because when they overlay, the crisscrosses are too many crisscrosses. And you'll see if you buy this die, but that was one thing. And then the other thing is, I think without an embossing pad, these score marks don't show very well. But you do have to score it in order to use it. At least I did, because I didn't use a pad. So maybe that will make the difference. It also has a little slit in it right here. So when it cuts this piece, it'll have a split, and that's so it can be molded around the curve of the die. But oh my gosh, you guys, it cut really great. All the things fell out of the holes with my precision plate, so it wasn't even a problem. And wait till you see how cute it is. I think it is adorable. Oh, look, isn't that just the cutest thing? Oh my goodness gracious, look at that. Look at how cute that is. You could put die cuts in here. You could put beads, sequin mixes, and send it off to your pals. But how cute is that? And see, with just one of the pieces here, you don't get all the crisscrosses, because double, it made it look chaotic. So that's why I just did one. And then I overlapped the two bottom pieces that were cut so that it's sturdy down there. But oh my gosh, I have a little tag set that cuts these, so I stamped the word sweet on it and then made those little flowers there. But isn't that just adorable? Oh my gosh. So anyway, I wanted to share all that with you from Shein, so that if you care to order, you at least have an idea of what things look like. And check the measurements always. And, you know, see if there's anything there you like. They have some beautiful clothes. A friend of mine buys dresses there. She's like size 0, and all their dresses look so cute on her. So just check them out and see if you like it. This isn't a sponsored video or anything. It's just wanted to share with you what I found. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, do what makes you happy. Bye for now.